To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Emomotimi Agama, has urged capital market operators to embrace innovation as a pivotal driver of sustainable growth, efficiency, transparency, and resilience within the capital market. In a statement made to The Punch on Monday, he disclosed this at the 2024 Capital Market Solicitors Association Annual Business Summit in Lagos with the theme Revolutionizing the Nigerian Capital Market Through Innovative Financial Instruments for Sustainable Development. He stated that the SEC's proactive stance in adapting regulations is to accommodate emerging financial products and services driven by technology, adding that this approach aims to foster a robust and reliable capital market ecosystem while supporting technological advancements. Thailand's central bank governor pushed back further against a government suggestion to raise the monetary authority's inflation target, spelling out the risks of such a move to Southeast Asia's second-largest economy. Any push to tweak the inflation target may unanchor expectations and result in quickening price gains, and in turn, higher borrowing costs, Governor Sethaput Suthiwartnaruput said in an interview with Bloomberg Television's Haslinda Amin in Bangkok on the 18th of June. The current inflation target range is appropriate for the circumstances and it has worked well, he said. The risk of raising the inflation target from the current 1% to 3% range is that actual inflation starts to pick up. Indonesia's central bank kept interest rates unchanged on the 20th of June, saying it will fine-tune other tools to stabilize the rupiah, which it believes will return to a strengthening trend. Bank Indonesia kept the 7-day reverse repurchase rate at 6.25%, as expected by 29 of 32 economists polled by Reuters. Its two other main policy rates were also left unchanged. BI said the current policy rate remained consistent with efforts to stabilize the rupiah even after the currency dropped to its weakest in more than 4 years. To support the rupiah exchange rate, Governor Perry Warjio said the central bank will optimize the use of its other instruments to attract inflows, and will continue its interventions in the spot foreign exchange and non-deliverable forward markets, as well as in the bond market when needed. There has been a marked slowdown in year-on-year growth in ESG headcount at asset managers, according to IPE's latest global asset management research study, Top 500 Asset Managers. The number of ESG and engagement specialists grew by nearly 26% from 2021 to 2022, then by 13% and last year by 4%. The slowdown comes against the backdrop of rapid regulatory change for asset managers and a backlash to ESG investing from some quarters alongside a strong commitment in others. Hong Kong's securities regulator is keeping its focus on deepening the city's role as a super connector, serving as a bridge for global capital flow into Asia-Pacific, and diverting money from China into international markets. The Securities and Futures Commission is also looking to connect with new markets to diversify sources of capital and listings in Hong Kong, pointing to the first official visit of its senior management to the Middle East earlier in June as paving the way for further regional market collaboration. The SFC detailed the plans in its annual report for the 2023-24 financial year ended the 31st of March. The Federation of Investment Managers Malaysia is pleased to announce the release of its annual report 2023, themed in recognition of its 30 years of progress. Link in the description. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.